Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming dryer type and local venting rules so you don't create a hazard. Once verified, turn off power or gas and disconnect the dryer. This prevents sparks or leaks. Next, position the vent route and mark the exit point on the foundation wall or rim joist. Use a drill to create pilot holes and a jigsaw or hole saw sized for a Ford duct. Precision here makes the rest faster and keeps the seal tight. Now feed the rigid metal duct through the hole, keeping runs straight and minimizing elbows because bends trap lint and reduce airflow. Once routed, join sections with foil tape and clamps. Do not use screws that catch lint. Support the duct every 4 to 6 feet and angle it slightly downward toward the exit so condensation drains outside. Make sure to attach a backdraft damper at the wall and secure a weatherproof wall cap. These prevent pests. Finish by reconnecting the dryer and restoring power or gas, then run a short high heat cycle while you inspect airflow at the exterior cap. You should feel strong, steady flow. Make sure all joints are sealed with foil tape and clamps. If you see leaks, tighten and reseal immediately. Finally, clean the lint trap and set a yearly cleaning or inspection schedule, because even a well-installed vent can clog over time and create a fire hazard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.